morning, everyone. Today's video, guys, is let's cook the trying lang. Let's cook the tortang talong, guys. Then sorry for my video, guys. Kay nahutan ni karon guys. Karon guys, magluto ko with oling and kalha. Karon guys, ato na siyang butangag well. Okay, para ang oil, guys. Mainit-init na siya, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, let's cook. Let's put the eggplant here. I put here because no, I don't have table. I have no table, guys. I put egg. I'm adding egg, guys. Kita man na itong bilat kita ni Rasiha, guys. Kita itong upuan ani, guys. Itong kaluluwa. And guys, yay! I have one, and this is cooked already. Oh! This is cooked already, guys. Yay! Sa nauna rin, Santiago, sa dapitan. Yes, guys. Ay, waman ko yung sandok, guys. Oy, look at, guys. Yay! Thank you, Lord.